The new semester is about to begin, and you might be wondering, do I really need to change my assignment due dates in Canvas one by one? And the answer is no. No, in fact, you do not. Let me show you a better way, and let's open up Canvas. Not to be confused with Canva to do graphic design stuff. I honestly wish there was a little more distinction between the two, but different topic for a different day. Let's open up Canvas. So I'm here in my course page. Then what you want to do is go to assignments. So click on your assignments. And then once you're here, come over to the three dots, which will bring you to your assignment settings. So click on that one and then edit assignment dates. And what you'll get is this lovely view of all of your assignments and dates here. And then you can make changes to them. So I've copied over a past course. It's got those old due dates in here. I can go in and then quickly make those changes. And there you have it. That's how to quickly make bulk changes on those assignment due dates in Canvas. Have a great semester.